I welcome Professor Vijay Borges, Project Director, Project Manager Unit at the Directorate of Technical Education. He is also the head of the Computer Engineering Department. Shri Saish Gandhi, Technical Officer, Project Manager Unit at the Directorate of Technical Education. ADI Kiswadi, Mrs. Suzette Ferreira, and our very own headmistress, Mrs. Sarita Karwada. I request all of them to take their places on the dais.
मायमोगाचो येवकार आमची ही 13वो दीस ह्या म्हयन्याचो आनी आज शुभ काळ हांव टिचरांनी उलयतालो आज सकाळीं ओके आज ताणी म्हाका दिसता 7वेर द पेट्रन्स आवर लेडी ऑफ दीस पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस ताजो फेस्टिवल ताणी केलो आनी आज फातिमा सायबिणीची म्हाका दिसता आज परब सगळ्यांक तुमकां मानेस्तांक जे हांगा हाजीर जाल्या म्हज्या काळजांतल्यान तुमकां सगळ्यांक नमस्कार आनी आय वेलकम यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स आनी आय कॉल यू फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज लायक यू वील ट्राय टू नो लायक दॅट्स द फ्रेंडशीप which we have to forge going forward if this particular scheme is going to be successful. Well, there is one relationship आमचे भितर म्हजे भितर आनी तुमचे भितर एक नातें आसा खबर आसा कसलें तें म्हाका दिसता आनी कितें आसा जाणा तूं आमी एक बरी सोशल डिस्टन्स मेंटेन केल्या म्हाका श्रेय दिसता आमचे हेड मिस्ट्रीक वता आनी तांच्या सगळ्यांक वता आनी म्हाका दिसता भंय तितलो आसतो ना आमकां ओके कित्याक 1% मातशें देंवन कमी जाल्या ओके केसीस म्हाका दिसता तुमचो मुखामळो जो हांसतो मुखामळो आसा म्हाका दिसलो जाल्यार बरें दिसता आशिल्लें ओके एक बरी फीडबॅक कशी जाता न्ही देर इज ऑलवेज अ गुड वायब एज यू कॉल इट इफ देर इज from the opposite side to this particular side, there are beautiful faces which I can see without the mask. Okay, just to relive those moments, okay, called as the pre-COVID moments. Well, as I said, there is always a relationship between me and you. Can anybody name what is that relationship which I share between us? Silence.
So many, sir.
Yes, ma'am, you just name it. I love that. And
Human beings.
yeah, that's fine. That's fair enough. But there is a unique kind of a relationship which we share. Wonderful. Whoever said it, like, ma'am, give them extra coffee. Okay. So, yes, I am a teacher. Okay, and what is the importance of a teacher? Okay, and one of the, I would start with like, not so good entity about a teacher, and you should like, also bear with me because we are from the same tribe. कितें आसता जाणा न्हू टिचराक खंय ओके वेळाचो न्ही ताका मतलब आसना जेन्ना तो ताची पिरियडाची सुरवात करना आनी वेळ मरे ताज्या मनांतूच आसना कित्याक घंटी जायना ओके लेक्चर संपना सारकें घंटी जायना जाल्यार लेक्चर संपना अशें म्हाका दिसता आयज जातलें ओके एंड दिस इज वॉट इज गोइंग टू हैपन बट bear with me okay this particular relationship let us enjoy in this particular time which we spend along with you now the next thing about a teacher a uniqueness about a teacher is that a teacher always should start his or her class with a प्रश्न घेऊन जो सुरवात करता ताका खरोच आमी म्हणटाले शिक्षक हो बरो शिक्षक म्हणून म्हाका दिसता हांव बेश्टा ट्राय करता एक सुरवात करपाक हांगा एक प्रश्न करता आनी हांव खुबशे अशे प्रश्न करतलो जशें हांव बेतां म्हजी उलोवपाचें हाचेर हांव खूब प्रश्न पयलो तुजो प्रश्न आनी हो प्रश्न घेतलो जाणी मास्क घालून आसता ताका कोण मास्क घालूंक ना ताका प्रश्न वचचो ना So, how many in the audience here have heard of this particular companies? You can put up your hands. How many have heard of this particular companies? Amazon? I have been to around about 7 talukas. Like, I have एक बरो धवरो करून येता ना सगळे भोंवडी मारून येता आनी आमकां म्हाका दिसता 8वो म्हजो आनी 4 उरल्या तालुका वचपाचे सगळे कडेन अशें मजा आशिल्ली म्हाका दिसता तिसवाडी आमचो कमी रावचो ना सारको एन्थुजियास्टिकली अशें हात वयर काडटलो ओके करेक्ट ओके दुसरो फेसबुक तिसरें गुगल गुगल म्हणल्यार आमच्या टिचरीच्या मुखार हांसो आयलो कित्याक गुगल म्हणजे कितें आमी ताका म्हणटा गुगल गुरू ओके इट इज कॉल्ड एज गुगल गुरू आमचो बरें 4 वर्सां पडटो आसा तो कितें करता ताका एबीसी कांय कळना तो डायरेक्टली उलयता गुगल ओपन कार्टून ओपन करता करेक्ट ओके दिस इज वॉट इज हॅपन इन्फोसिस झोमॅटो पेटीएम Now, what is common about all these particular companies? What is common among all these particular companies?
Online.
They are online, one, good. More common about that is like they are all technology companies. Now, if you look about most of these particular companies, like you talk about Airbnb or whatever, they are all technology companies and not small companies, not restricted to small area. Tanji area ji asa like खूप राष्ट्रांनी okay आजी companyचे branches with काढलेले असतात, okay, and that is good about it. Now, my next question as a teacher which I want to ask you. How many of you, now listen to this question very carefully, how many of you do not use WhatsApp? Do not use WhatsApp. म्हाका दिसता हे WhatsApp सुरवात जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हांगा सुजत मॅडम जी आसा आमची लायक EDI सुरवात केली जातली. रातची तुमकां मेसेज धाडली जातली न्ही, आज सकाळी येवपाक जाय मी रातचे 10 मेसेज आयली जातली, करेक्ट? ओके, रातचे 10 मेसेज सकाळी तुम्ही पावपाक जाय आनी प्रश्न खूब सारके. बट ऑल ऑफ अस आर युजिंग दिस पर्टिक्युलर WhatsApp आनी म्हजे हेतू हांगाच की हे विचार करूंक okay, is this particular statement which I want to place in front of you given by the CEO of Facebook, who also is the owner of WhatsApp, and his name is Mark Zuckerberg. And Mark Zuckerberg also म्हणटा, my advice to my friends who got children who are going to school is this: make them learn to program. Make them learn to program. जरी तर हस्ती ओके नामलेख हस्ती अशें उलयता जाल्यार आमकां फ्रॉम दॅट पर्टिक्युलर वर्ड वॉट एवर इज स्पीकिंग वी हॅव टू listen and take advice or listen and adapt. Why is he saying this particular word? And that is where I want to start my entire presentation about coding and robotics. Ata, before I start this, I want to remove the misnomer from that particular first slide जी आशिल्ली न्ही, coding. जर तर तुमकां हे उतर तुमच्या मनांत हाडलें जाल्यार तुमच्या मनांत कशें दर्शन येता? What is the kind of picture you get in your mind if I place this particular word called as coding? Quickly. Some puzzles.
Code and decode.
Code and decode means what is the picture? Code and decode is a word. What is it? Numbers, alphabets. Very good. You are a very excellent. Are baap re. I expected different kind of answers earlier. How many people get like when you say coding, one of the things which normally is a computer असतो आणि त्याच्या मुखार तो प्रोग्रामर असतो, कोणाच्या मुखार आयला मनात आयला असले. Coding is very true because as teacher. But many times like when आम्ही coding म्हणटा न्ही, okay, we always have in our mind a computer असतो आणि त्याच्या फाटल्यान एक कोण coding करता असले आमच्या मनात असले विचार येतात. But I want to remove this particular word coding and I want to introduce two important words here which is actually the ethos or the thinking behind the governments why they introduce this particular scheme, and that word is called as computational thinking. When we go into this particular slide here, the researchers place that computational thinking is important. There are lots of reasons. I have placed 3 reasons here. हांगा 3 हांवें अशे मोठे विशय धरल्या. But I will talk about only 2 very briefly. Why the researchers are saying that computational thinking is of importance to school-going kids. The first one, that children, when they learn the paradigm of computational thinking, when they go through this exercise of computational thinking, they would excel at problem solving. When I say problem solving, म्हाका आमी सगळे टीचर आसात, ओके, मॅडम हेडमिस्ट्रेस ऑफ द स्कूल, which subject do you teach? Mathematics. गणितांत problem असता? There are problems in maths? Yes. Ma'am, which subject do you teach?
Mathematics.
Oh, again mathematics. So besides mathematics, madam? Marathi असे प्रश्न असता madam. You are teaching literature subject. प्रश्न असता न्ही? Okay. Somebody is taking social sciences. कोण सांगा social sciences कोण शिकयता? Geography or ना कोण शिकयना? बरें आसा. Yeah, teacher is teaching. असा प्रश्न आसा न्ही? Okay, थंय आसता न्ही? Geography शिकयता आनी भुरग्यांक आमी. See, in everything I would like to relate. When you came today, did you solve a problem and come to come here also, you had a problem.
Yes.
What was the problem?
Transport.
Huh? Yes, ma'am. Wonderful. So she used one concept like called as operational research, okay, or networking. She used one concept of networking which is used in higher engineering, which she has already applied. But before that, you had to have one discipline yourself. You had to get up on time. If you had to get up late, you would not have reached here. So that means you had to use a lot of. Secondly, you had to know how to come here also. That means you have to know geography to come here. See, in life is full of problems. There is a problem na जाल्यार आम्ही म्हणटा जिविताची कुशलकाय येना. Problem असं म्हण जिविताची कुशलकाय येता. And I think so we all have got problems, and as human beings we have to solve these particular problems. Computational thinking is nothing different. Computational thinking is where we train the children to understand what is a problem and how to find the solution for the problem, whatever, irrespective of the subject. In your life to come here itself, you have used high level of engineering, high level of social skills. I'll give you one more example. How many people came through carpooling? How many people used the carpool? आज तुम होता नहीं, आऊँ तुझे बार बैठो, तुझे बार बैठा जाता. How many people use this? That is called, if you have used, madam has used, I think so. So use social engineering because you have to contact somebody like use economics, okay, resource sharing. So use all those particular concepts which we do so much of studies about. You have already used this in your life, and that is exactly what computational thinking aims at. That's the first one. The second important aspect of computational thinking is that a child who goes to this particular paradigm of learning computational thinking, understanding computational thinking, will perform better in other subjects. It is not coding per se, but because of this particular the scheme, and through this scheme, the curriculum which has been developed is going to help all other subjects, is going to help the child to enjoy all other subjects in a very unified kind of a manner. And that is the reason why in the National Education Policy 2020, okay, in the chapter number 4, in the section on school education, implementation in school education, there is one statement which goes. The statement is this: mathematical and computational thinking is given increased emphasis. Now pay attention to this. Is given increased emphasis, especially in middle school. Especially in middle school. So this is where the thinking is coming for this particular scheme. This is where computational thinking is of importance, and that is why Goa government has taken a bold initiative to introduce this particular scheme for the entire state of Goa. Computational thinking, if I have to place attention before I go into this particular, what the scheme is about, I want to lay a little emphasis. Computational thinking, which is an important skill set, taka teen bhag asa. The first part is what I already expressed to you. It teaches the person who undergoes this particular paradigm to understand the problem. Secondly, it goes in training a child how to design a solution for the problem. That's the next one. And the third part is expressing it in a form that a human and a machine could understand. Human or a machine could understand. So the point here of computational thinking, the word there is machine. Machine could be a computer, machine could be something else, but normally it's a computer. There is only one word in this particular three aspects which I placed in front of you. It is less about, computational thinking is less about the computer or the coding part of it, but more about all the other three aspects, into understanding a problem, into designing a solution, and expressing the solution that a human or a machine could understand. So what I want to say here, yes, the emphasis is not more on the computer. I'm not saying it is not required. It is required. It is an important tool. But the concept is on these other three things which I have laid stress on. Right? Now, before I talk about the scheme, all of you who are here are the heads of institutes. You have got an important role. And hence, आमचे जेन्ना Directorate of Education म्हणलें that we wanted to have an awareness about this scheme in all the talukas. That's where I told them first, along with my director. My director is present here. Director Professor Vivek Kamath is there, Director of Technical Education. So welcome, sir. And along with him, when we had with our secretary, along with the director of education and director of SCRT, then this particular thing was conceived to have this FNS camp. One of the things which came up is it's important, the success of the scheme is important when the stakeholders are there. And who are the important stakeholders in success of any scheme is the head of institutes. Okay. Now, heads of institutes, what is there in this particular scheme? I want to lay down very briefly because I want this particular scheme to be owned by you. It is not to be, it's not of the government, it is not of the director of technical education, it is not the concept of the secretary or whatever. No, the concept is yours because who are the primary stakeholders? One is you, secondary is your teachers, and the third one is your students coming to your schools. So until unless you make this scheme yours, this scheme would be successful or maybe not. But I know you will own this. So what is there in front of you in this particular scheme? The first one, the scheme will aim into doing skill upgradation, a continuous skill upgradation for your teachers and through your teachers for your children. So this is one of the important aspects where at a centralized level, how are we implementing skill upgradation, the skill gap between for the teachers to deliver this particular deliver the curriculum which has come out of through this scheme to your students. This is one of the important things. Secondly, आता हांव आनीक एक प्रश्न करता. म्हाका सांग, आमी सगळीं शिक्षक, ओके, आनी आमी जेन्ना टिचरी आसा न्ही, आमकां when do we feel most happy? आमकां खुशी केन्ना भोगता? What is the reward, the greatest reward as a teacher that you think you receive? What is the greatest reward?
Response of students.
Ma'am, can you just, I can't hear you.
Understand.
Yeah, I think so. No, that is a short gain. That is a short gain kind of a happiness. What is the longest gain kind of a happiness which you remember? Yes, sir.
Maintain good well in the society.
Wonderful. You know, put your hands together for sir. I think so for us, you know, म्हाका दिसता हेंच आमकां सगळ्यांक टिचरांक एक खुशीची गजाल. It is not that the student will come to you and say like, you know, that sir, तुम्ही म्हाका शिकयलो म्हण आज हांव कितें I'm doing well in society. No, आमकां कानार देखून पडलें न्ही आमचो भुरगो एक संवसारांत बरो करता, ताचें जिवीत बरें जालां and he is doing very well. आमकां खुशी भोगता सारकें. And that is the greatest reward for any teacher, okay, all of us. And this is what the scheme will aim at. The scheme is going to have tracks where we are going to nurture, we are going to increase the employability of your students, of the students of this particular state, so that through this particular nurturing, they will do something achievable, something commendable in life. This is the next aspect which is there for you as school management. The third aspect. Many of you must have read in the recent past, न्यूजपेपराचे आर्टिकल येता न्ही, 90% भुरगे जे पास आउट जाता तांकां सिरियस लागना बिकॉज दे आर कॉल्ड एज एड्युकेटेड अनएम्प्लॉयड. हॅव यू रेड दॅट? 90%, 95%, 95% अशे टक्के आय मीन स्टुडंट्स आर एम्प्लॉयड. कित्याक काय? Why do you think it happens? They have all got
Is not linked with
the education is
not linked with
to the industry. Well, possible. There could be one of possible reasons, like, you know, what you are saying is true. Now, for that, where are we supposed to address this particular problem? See, at higher engineering level or professional level, they come only for 4 years. भुरगे 40 वर्स येतात न्ही, 5 वर्स येतात शिकपाक, whatever the master course or whatever, 5 ते 6 वर्स करतात. Do you think in 6 years, okay, they or 4 years, whoever the teacher would be able to address their problems? So that's one of the reasons why that the government decided if we require to nurture talent in a proper manner, why don't we go and look at the school level, at the 6th standard, at the 7th standard, at the 8th standard, partner with the teachers, partner with the schools, help those particular students to develop a right mental attitude, a right how to look at a problem, how to develop the right skill sets. So that when we handhold these particular students, then we have got a larger kind of a pool, maybe a better kind of a pool. And this is hope. I म्हणता आका आशा. आणि हीच आशा धरून आम्ही ही स्कीम सुरुवात केली आसा with the director of technical education, and all these particular things I will talk about later. The fourth aspect, very important aspect, what is there in this particular scheme for you as school management. आम्ही जेन्ना सर्वे केली न्ही, आमकां अशें कळून आयलें की जायते स्कॉलांनी तांची लॅबोरेटरी फेसिलिटीज बरी ना. They don't have systems like which are working, which are giving good service. But outdated systems आशिल्ले. So what we have decided in this particular scheme, the government decided that why don't we upgrade the required ICT infrastructure through these particular things and help both the aided institute as well as the government institute through this particular scheme. And that is what is going to happen, okay, as part of this particular scheme, where the ICT infrastructure would be enhanced in your schools. So this is some part about what is there for you as school management. Now what I'll be doing is I'll change a little focus and talk about three important parts. Okay, I'll divide my entire section into three important parts. The first part where I'll talk about what is in the scheme. Coding and robotic education in school scheme जी आम्ही सुरुवात केली आहे या वर्षाक ताजी how did it all begin? So the government of Goa launched this scheme as part of its, in the budget it was announced in the year 2021. So when the Honorable Chief Minister announced this particular scheme, immediately the project management unit was formed under Directorate of Technical Education, and the responsibility of the project management unit was to see to the day-to-day rollout of this particular scheme. Then what happened is, this scheme has got three important entities. The first one is called as the Director of Technical Education. And here, I would like to thank our Professor Vivek Kamath sir, who is here, because under his initiative that the project management unit has been formed in the DT, and it is his initiative and his guidance for us, that he gives us the boost to go out and to do what is required under this particular scheme. So that Director of Technical Education. The next important body was the Directorate of Education. Now, why Director of Education was required? Because you as the school management, you as the teachers, you as the students come under the administrative control of the Directorate of Education. And the third part what was required there was the SCRT Goa. What did SCRT Goa do? SCRT Goa is responsible for the training of its teachers, for the curriculum to be revamped and all. So these particular three bodies, I think so this may be the first time where three government bodies are coming together in under one umbrella into seeing progress which is going to be happening. Now, who is leading this particular, there is an empowered committee, and who is leading this empowered committee is our Honorable Education Minister, who is also our Honorable Chief Minister, who is the chairman of this particular empowered committee. The chairman of NEP schools, who is the chairman there, is also the vice chairman in the empowered committee here. The Secretary Education and all the other directors which are there, they form this entire team called as the Empowered Committee, and they give us the directions how to roll out and what are the actions which are required from the administration side. Then what happened is, this happened somewhere in March and April. So end of April to somewhere in May, what happened is the PME unit met together in SCRT and we revamped the curriculum. That was the first step. So you must be knowing that there was something called as a computer awareness curriculum which was there previously, maybe for more than a decade, which was running, which was more on some Word, some Excel and all these particular applications. So when the PME unit formed and the PME unit was called to revamp this entire curriculum, what we did is, from the 5th standard, the 6th standard, the 7th standard and the 8th standard, the entire curriculum was revamped, and the new curriculum was called as Revised ICT Curriculum, okay, which came. Now, please pay attention here, because this is something very important. The scheme, though SCRT has come with curriculum for the 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard, the scheme, that means the coding and robotics scheme, is only mandated to deliver the day-to-day rollout only for the 6th standard, for the 7th standard and for the 8th standard. Now, what happened under this particular curriculum for the 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard? The curriculum दोन भागे केले आमी त्याचे curriculumचे. Okay, कित्याक दोन भाग केले? एका भागाक आमी म्हणले regular curriculum. Now what was regular curriculum and how it is going to be implemented? Regular curriculum is the curriculum which is going to be taught for all the students in the regular timings, during your regular class timings, and it will be taught by your regular computer teachers. Whoever computer teachers are there, they will be delivering this. So this is one part. The other part was called as the optional curriculum. Now what is the concept of optional curriculum? Optional curriculum was a little advanced curriculum. Now it is meant for whom? It is meant for those students who are motivated. Those students who like to do certain things but wants to have a hands-on experience. For them, we devise something called as an advanced curriculum called as the optional curriculum. Now when it is going to be delivered? It is going to be delivered during the non-school hours. Who is going to deliver it? This delivery would happen by something called Teach for Goa Fellows who will be appointed. But I will specify a little more in details when I come to the appropriate slide on the delivery part. Okay? So this is where the curriculum came into two parts. Now this curriculum is there regular for 6th standard, 7th standard regular, 8th standard regular. Similarly, we have got 6th standard optional, 7th standard optional, 8th standard optional. Now, on the 4th of June 2021, all the heads of institute received a circular from SCRT about this particular revised ICT curriculum. How many of the heads of institutes have not got that particular circular? कोणाक मिळूंक ना हो circular? म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांक मेळ्ळा न्ही सारकें? So there it is very clear how the rollout of this particular curriculum is to be done, and that rollout I will come little later in my presentation. Bari asa. Here is about how the scheme was formulated and what are the initial activity which was done. Now I will change context and go into. आता curriculum केल्लो पण जायना. We require to develop something called as the course content. We have to develop resources for this particular for delivering this particular resource for delivering this particular curriculum. ताका लागून कितें केलें आमी? That is the first thought process which we had. What was the thought process? The thought process was based on a simple philosophy. What was the philosophy? And the philosophy was something like this: who will have more interest to their students than the teacher? Okay? You will have the maximum interest of your child who is coming to your school at the highest level, correct? Then somebody else. And this is exactly what we did. One of the things which we said and which we took ahead is we will involve the teachers themselves, your school teachers themselves, to develop the curriculum, to develop the resource content, to develop the teacher's handbook, to develop the lesson plans, to develop the video contents. So, हें करपाक आमकां कितें पडलें, आमकां कितें करूंक पडलें, is we invited some industry experts as resource persons. We invited some 16 teachers from your schools, from this particular entire state, 16 teachers, and there were some engineering faculties and some higher secondary faculties. About 35 teachers, we got them together. For almost 1 month, तांकां rigorous training दिली. कित्याक जावूंक जाय आशिल्लें training? कित्याक लागून? Because these were the pioneers. Why pioneers? Because they had to be taught a different kind of a concept on computational thinking. आमचो हेतू इतलोच आशिल्लो की जे आमी सिलेक्ट केले टिचरांक, they have to become our backbone. And the backbone how? Because we wanted to make them as master trainers. What do we mean by master trainers? Master trainers are those particular teachers who will then handhold their other teachers. And I will give you a little bit of statistics, numbers, okay, what is the kind of activity these particular teachers have done. But before I speak, I would like you to play a video how this entire training happened for the master trainers, master trainers. 1 month which happened in the month of June, July. Okay, in that particular those 2 months, there is magic which happened. Why I say magic? To get a book called as the Teacher's Handbook of the 6th Standard Regular Curriculum from teachers which were diversified, a teacher set of around about 35, I would say that ultimately it came to a responsibility from only 16 computer teachers from your schools. They developed something called as Beyond My Imagination, a handbook which I am holding here. I am so proud that these particular teachers, when they said that we are going to be part of it, when they owned that particular dream, when they said yes, we are empowered to deliver, they delivered beyond imagination. When I say delivered beyond imagination is when these teachers were empowered, they took that ownership. They did not look at the time, whether it was 2 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock, okay, they had to get. They had one target to finish. And I want you all to see the kind of quality of this particular books which is there, and I will talk about it. There are 35 lesson plans for every week. There are 35 weeks which are there in your academic year. There are 35 lesson plans which have been devised. Why? Because whether my teacher is there in Poingin area, or my teacher is there somewhere in Sattari, or my teacher is there somewhere in this Kujira complex, the quality of delivery should not matter because of a lack of resources. So, uniform resources were given to all the teachers. Now, not only that, if you look at it, there are this nice artwork which has been done here for all the 35 weeks. This artwork has been done by the faculties of Goa College of Art. Beautiful artwork and the entire layout. The coloring scheme which has been done is very attractive for our students. When they hold this particular book, they'll feel attracted to read those particular things. There is a story. There is a story which these teachers themselves developed to give a pedagogy of the delivery, how the delivery is going to be done. There were certain aspects about what are the observations that a teacher requires to do. What are the deliverables that a student is expected to deliver in that particular classroom. There are some video content links which are available on YouTube. They have been made public. There are this particular video contents which have been developed and they are there on the YouTube. And the uniqueness about this particular thing is the rubrics which has been developed for every lesson plan. This is something very unique, and this is something which we want to propagate further. Now, if you look at it, in the industry, if we say, industry never looks at an individual to be brilliant. It wants the team to be brilliant. A team which can work in a teamwork and develop this particular project, and that is one of the skill sets which is there called as teamwork in every lesson plan. That means in every of these 35 weeks of this lesson plans, there will be a skill set where the teacher will use to assess each student in her or his class. There are others like completion of task, discipline of completion, then understanding the problem. So there are lots of about 5 or 6 skills which are there, and the grading which will be done for the student. So this is something very unique, and this happened in this particular 1 month. Well, these teachers also have gone forward to develop some video contents which they are talking about multi-language. That means even in Konkani they want to develop, in English they've already developed. So this is what the development which is happening from whom? Not from us. It is happening from your faculty which you are making them available to the PMU to deliver this. The objective is only this much, that these teachers can develop if we give them the power anything. Okay, and this is what my conviction is. But yes. Now, the next aspect which I want to talk about is called as how the content will be developed. So the first aspect was the organizational structure. The next aspect was the curriculum development. Then I talked about how do we develop the resources for this particular curriculum. And the third aspect is how do we deliver this particular curriculum for your students. So right now we are delivering this particular content from the academic year 21-22 in the online mode because of the pandemic situation. आता आमचो जो सर्क्युलर आलो 4 तारखेर जुनांचो from SCRT which came to all the heads, there is one chapter called as the implementation chapter. Implementation chapter, if you read it, it is very clear, and it is a circular which has come officially, which tells you as school management, as the teacher who is taking the regular curriculum, ताणे हे वर्साक कितें शिकोवपाक जाय, खंयचो curriculum शिकोवपाक जाय. And I want to place a little attention to the heads who are here. So, for the academic year 21-22, for this particular academic year, the 6th standard regular curriculum जो आसा, तो 6वेच्या भुरग्यांक शिकयतले टिचऱ्यो. तोच curriculum आमी 7वेच्या भुरग्यांक शिकयतली आणि तोच curriculum 6th standard regular curriculum will also be taught for the 8th standard students. Are we clear about this? Now you will ask me, sir, कित्याक लागून अशें? ताका 2 कारणां आसात. पयलें कारण म्हणजे that first is that old curriculum called as the Awareness curriculum. तांचो तो 9वेचो जो curriculum आसलो is a little bit outdated even currently to the 6th standard curriculum. That means the 6th standard revised curriculum is much more advanced than even the old 9th standard curriculum. First reason. Okay. Second reason is जर तर आमी 7वेचे भुरग्यांक 7वेचो curriculum शिकयलो तांचे मातशे अन्याय जाता आशिल्लो कित्याक तांकां there won't be a link because they have not studied what is required in the 6th standard curriculum. So that was a very wise decision that SCRT took की तांणी ह्या वर्साक 6वेच्या भुरग्यांक 6वेचो, हेच वर्साक 7वेच्या भुरग्यांक 7वेचो आनी हेच वर्साक 8वेच्या भुरग्यांक 6वेचो curriculum regular curriculum शिकोवपाचो. जाल्यार एकटे वर्स जातलें कितें? 22-23 what will happen in the next year? ही 6वेची भुरगीं जेन्ना 7वेक वतलीं, ओके, जाल्यार कितें जाता? तांकां 7वेचो curriculum शिकयतलीं. आता ह्या वर्साची 7वेची भुरगीं जेन्ना 8वेक वतलीं तांकां खंयचो शिकयतले त्या वर्साक 7वेचो शिकयतलीं. कळ्ळें न्ही? So that means in 3 years the complete rollout of this particular curriculum would happen. So that means who is the lucky students here? The 6th standard are the lucky students here, I would call them. Okay. So anyway, we have to start somewhere. So you understood that? The next part that the government is intending about upgrading of your labs to something called as a single board computers. And as I told that for the delivery of the optional curriculum, because of the pandemic situation, because the optional curriculum, that means that it is as I told you, the optional curriculum would be delivered during the non-school timings. That curriculum requires to do hands-on. They require to do activities, okay, build things, okay, and test it out. During the pandemic situation, it is not possible. But we know the pandemic will end maybe in the next year. Let's be hopeful. That time this particular optional curriculum launch जातलो. आता जेन्ना optional curriculum launch जातलो, ते शिकयतलो कोण? Because it is during non-school hours. Now, what we request you here is basically that some of the schools will be called as lead schools, in which the curriculum, if you are open, will be launched from the schools which are selected, or you come out of a way that we want to give our premises or our labs for launching this particular curriculum, and I will talk about little more a little later in my slides. But important here is that we'll be employing some Teach for Go fellows to deliver this particular content. But what I wanted to say here is that even if your teachers, जी तुमची रेग्युलर टीचर्स तांकां दिसलें आमी शिकपाक शकता, आमकांय दिसता शिकोवपाक ऑप्शनल करिक्युलम, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. Okay, we don't have anything, but you may have to go through the rigor of knowing how to teach and what is required to be taught. That we will evaluate, and we are open even to give it an opportunity for your regular teachers to teach the optional curriculum. Am I clear? Yes. Now I just go to the next 2 slides because this is something I wanted to place in front of you. आता झाले कितें? Our story is still now in June and somewhere in June and July. So somewhere in August, somewhere on 8th of July till the 11th of August, another great thing which happened. And this is some great challenge which happened in front of us, which was thrown in front of us. And this is how we delivered that. Now what happened is, आमचे कडेन न्ही आख्खे गोंयांत 500 40 अश्यो वो 20 अश्यो टिचरी आसा कंप्युटर टिचर्स. Now we had trained as master trainers only 16 school teachers. Now what was the challenge? That the remaining 500 plus teachers which are there, or 504 teachers which are there, we had to train them. It was a massive task. And when I'm talking about the period of July till August, it was the peak. Okay, that was some of the peak period during the COVID situation. Okay, which was there. They were all protocols. We took a decision along with my director. We took a bold decision that we cannot conduct this particular training for all these particular teachers in the online mode, because this particular subject requires that rigor, requires this particular delivery, so that because if you don't understand it properly, then what you are going to be delivering it to the students will be wrong. Correct? So we took that bold initiative along with my director that yes, nothing doing, we'll call them in Goa College of Engineering. So each teacher from your school, this 500 and 504 or 500 plus teachers, they were called for 3 days and they were trained on the regular curriculum. All of teachers must be aware about it. Now, what happened is that on any day, following all the social distance protocols, all the SOPs which were there, what we did is that 72 teachers gathered on any given day from the period of 8th of July till the 11th of August to deliver, to learn this particular curriculum. Now, who were the resource persons to deliver this? The master trainers. So they became the peers. They themselves learned and they themselves did a wonderful job about delivering it to this 500 odd teachers. They are friends. Now, what did they deliver? Did they deliver the entire curriculum? Not possible. Not possible. So what we did is about 60% of the curriculum of the 6th standard regular is possible for all your teachers to deliver. Now, when they went to the process of this particular 3 days, there were a lot of assessments which were given, there were a lot of assignments which were given, there was their evaluation, and sometimes evaluation at the back end, there was an entire back end team which was evaluating each and every of these 500 odd teachers. Because we realized with 16, we cannot work magic. We have to increase our pool. And this is what was the thought process about going and evaluating each of these particular 500 teachers and how their performance was for those particular 3 days. Now, आता 60% ती शिकोवपाक शकता, ओके, पण 40% कशी ती काबार करतली शिकोवपाचें. We will have another 2 more trainings for all these particular teachers. So with this another 2 more trainings, most probably this year and somewhere in the next year, with this particular training, the teachers will be confident enough, all the teachers will be confident enough with delivering the 6th standard regular curriculum. Now, this is not where it ends. Can you go to the next slide, madam? No, just change the other slide. Go to this. Yes. Now this is where I want you all to pay attention. The project management unit cannot work magic if it is not for the help of you headmasters, you headmistresses, and you managements. We require help. तुमच्या आदारास तुम्ही आदार करना जाल्यार this project I will tell you will close. पण म्हाका दिसता तुमकां अशें करपाक नाका, because you will have seen this project is very important and what your teachers have delivered. Then what is the challenge for the PMU unit? Just look at this slide in front of you. आमी सोवेचो जो, if you can see the pink books which are there on the top, okay, as a representation. If you look at the first row, आमी सोवेचो regular curriculumचा handbook केला. It is ready. आमी सोवेचो optional curriculum handbook ready. It is there with us. Okay, it is not only printed like this one. Okay, this is already printed. आमी सोवेचो रेग्युलर व्हिडिओज आणि आमी आता भाषांतर करून ताचा कोंकणीचो व्हिडिओ करूंक शकता. Okay, that particular activity we are confident that is there will finish it. Now what is there? The next 2 rows are there. It's a big challenge for us. Now what is the big challenge? 7वेचो रेग्युलर, 7वेचो ऑप्शनल, 7वेचो व्हिडिओ, 8वेचो रेग्युलर, 8वेचो ऑप्शनल, 8वेचे व्हिडिओज we have not even thought. Thought means the plan is there, but we require more hands. We require your people to come in front, to help us out with this. And here is where I am looking as an ardent appeal to you as management to partner with us. If you don't partner with us, our model of using the stakeholders into delivering this, we will not be able to deliver to that particular extent. Can I go to the next one, please? Now this slide I want you also. I want you all to pay attention to this particular slide. You see some of the teachers, they are also males and they are also as females with the brown jackets. Brown jacket जे असतात ते teacher चोलियो दिसता अशें पण चले आसा ती. Okay. So this particular thing is important. If you look at it, there are something called as master trainers 12 plus 4. There are 16. This particular core team. This we call it as the core team. Now, when we ran this particular 3 days, okay, for more than a month for each of this particular 500 odd teachers, we found out that there are some potential 51 other coordinated teachers that are good enough that if given some kind of a training, if given some hand holding, they can come to the level of master trainers. Okay, so this becomes our second rung, but that is not important. That is not important. जर तुम्ही 50 आणि ते 10 धरले 60 or 65 odd if we take, we have got round about 520 cases. So we are talking about something like 400 plus teachers which are a challenge. That means even after going to this particular training, there is a gap, a noticeable gap in those particular teachers. Can we ignore it? कित्याक लागून? Because each of these particular teachers, when it goes every morning in front of their students, they are addressing 40 minds. Each of these teachers, when they go to address, there are 40 to 60 minds. So if we do not motivate them, if we do not upskill these particular teachers, then somewhere we are failing. Somewhere we are failing, and we cannot leave this. So what we require to do is a hierarchy which we have developed. आता आम्ही किती केलं is we are talking about a pyramid, hand holding pyramid system called as a weekly delivery or a weekly meeting system. So what is going to happen? So we are talking about every taluka, so 12 talukas, we are going to have one master trainer who is going to be the kind of the coordinator for that particular taluka. Now under this particular master trainers आणि 6-7 असे coordinated teachers असतले who are potential तांचे ट्रेनिंग जातले, they will be also potential master trainers, तांचे ट्रेनिंग जातले असली 6-7 आणि टीचर असतले. And under each of these particular coordinated teachers will be a set of round about 6 or 7 other teachers which require a day-to-day handling. आणि आम्ही with these coordinated teachers will be running this particular program called as a weekly kind of a meeting. Have you understood this concept? And this is going to be the success because no matter how many times can the PMU unit or SCRT issue orders for this particular teacher? It's not possible not to call them every time because it is going to affect your delivery system also. So we have come up with this particular things, and here teachers and heads of institutes, I want you all to support these particular things. If we do not want to create something wrong in your classrooms, in your schools, if you want something correct, if you want to rest at the end of the night, in the night you want to rest well, then this is where I want you all to be sold out with this particular idea. This is what you have to support. This is what you have to deliver it. Now, at this particular point of time, for Tiswadi Taluka, I will call both the teachers, identified master trainers, as well as the coordinated teachers right in front of you. First, there are two intentions here. First and all, to honor them. And secondly, I want to call the heads of the institutes here, because if it is not for the heads of institutes, these particular teachers would not have become master trainers or potential master trainers. So this is where I want to, from my heart, honor you all. Okay, so for Tiswadi Taluka, we have got Ishwari Bakal. Is Ishwari here? Yes, ma'am. Can you please come here? And is your Shantadurga High School Samkwad sir is there? Sir, can you please come here? Please. Grisha Paiva from Don Bosco High School. She is not there. Okay. So, yeah. Grisha. Don Bosco High School also head कोण आसा? She not come. Head of institute is there?
Yeah.
Please, sir. Can you please come? Saraswati. You are Saraswati. Shantadurga High School also put I no, but your head of institute is not. Then Pai Purnima from People's High School. Pai Purnima is your head of the institute of People's High School. Madam, please come. Raivita Malina Matos of Don Bosco High School. She's not there. Okay, so you are the Don Bosco. So there are two people who are Don Bosco. Wonderful, wonderful. Then Sudaksha Gaunikar. Sudaksha, yes, madam, please come. Sudaksha Gaunikar from Rosary High School. And Rosary High School's headmistress, ma'am, can you please come? Yeah. Sudhir Naik is come. Sudhir Naik. Yeah, Sudhir Naik Matsya Anayata. And the head of institute, sir, to me, okay, of Saraswat High School. Can all of us put our hands together for? And I think so, like, that as these heads of institutes, sorry, Maya, from Progress High School. Maya, sorry, ma'am. Maya, only Maya. Am I missing somebody else? And headmistress, ma'am, please, of Progress. So Maya is our core master trainer. She is the core master trainer. आणि म्हाका हांगा दिसता की आमी मॅडम तुमचे सगळ्यांचे द हेड ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूट म्हाका दिसता तुमचो आमकां खूब सपोर्ट मेळटा आनी हाज्याच मुखार मेळटो म्हणून हांव मानून चलतां बिकॉज एज आय हॅव मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर हियर मॅडम लायक विदाउट युअर टीचर्स विथ यू हॅव बीन सो मच गिविंग देर इज नो डाउट दॅट लायक तुमी तुमचो हात बंद करप आशिल्लो तुमी तो हात फाटल्यान दवरूंक ना तुमी आमकां सारको हात इसकडून दिलो आमकां एंड म्हाका दिसता हांगा जो टिचरी हांगा आसा हेड्स ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूट आसता इन द नियर फ्युचर तुमी विल बी मोटिवेटेड सो मच तुमी तुमचे टिचरी दितल्यो आनी आमकां हेंच करूंक जाय ओके सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच एंड वन्स अगेन कॅन यू थँक्यू व्हेरी मच now can I change my whole orientation? Okay, I used to have another partner with us from my team. We've got Saish Gandhi. So Saish, I will require you to do a little bit of service here. You know, on that particular presentation on that board, okay, in front of Maya, that particular thing, there is something which is there. Can you tell me what is that particular thing? Which our Saish sir, okay, is holding in his hands. Saish, can you just hold it in your palm, please? That particular thing is smaller than his palm. The magic here is there is no laptop which has been used. The magic here is like there is no desktop machine which has been used. But Saish is using some kind of a technology magic. He's using a technology magic. He's using a single board computer, which is so small that you have seen, it had run a presentation, it had run a video, it had run some sound files, okay? All those particular things which normally your laptop, which is there, a big huge laptop, which was running, is being done by that small device which is there in Saish's hands. And this is exactly what the government intends to give to your labs, to each of your particular labs. And this is a wonderful, a full-fledged computer which the government intends to give to each of your labs. So, thank you Saish for, so when you go back, or rather like before you leave this particular venue, have a look at this particular device to know what are the features. Yes sir? This is called a single board computer. It's called as a single board computer. Now on these particular things, you can have your internet, you can watch whatever videos, you can connect your television, you can watch it on all your videos, you can connect a hard disk, external hard disk, you can connect a USB ports. It has got a Wi-Fi, so if you've got a Wi-Fi router, it can work on that. You can take it in your pocket and go, you can connect it anywhere for make a presentation like Saish goes with this in his pocket, I think so, and makes presentation wherever he goes. Okay, so this is something of, sorry, it's very minimal, so Saish will tell you the cost little later. Okay, it's not, I would say like, not even 1/4 the particular cost of a normal laptop, not even 1/4 of the particular cost. So Saish will tell you all the details little later. Okay, so Ma'am, can we? So this is the kind of a setup, if you can see here, this is the kind of setup which is going to be coming in your labs, in each of your labs. Can you go next slide, ma'am? So this is the kind of a setup called as, like, with the operating systems and all, which is going to come in. So can you change that other one? No, we can leave that. Now, this is the most important slide of my presentation. The whole purpose is, and this is my second last slide. This is my second last slide. And this is where I want you as heads of institutes to pay attention. First and foremost, as I made an appeal to you, many of you all were more than willing. I think so Don Bosco has given both their faculties. There are some other schools like who have given both their computer faculties for this particular projects willingly. Okay, Rosary has given one of the faculties, and you have got potentially great faculties. So what are we looking for? What are the roles that the PMU envisions? The first role is creating the academic content. Okay, as I told you, the teacher handbooks, the videos, which will be developed by most of these particular computer teachers, whatever. Now, the other thing which we require, if you have seen the artwork, the layout, all those particular things, and this will be was developed by the Goa College of Fine Art faculty. But we are looking at faculty which is lying in your schools. आमच्याकडे 400 स्कॉला असतात आणि 400 स्कॉलांत ॲटलिस्ट 400 असे 8 टीचर असतील. 400 असे 8 टीचर असतील which can do this particular artwork, this particular layout in CorelDRAW, and they come from the one of the finest school, one of the oldest school, one of the most reputed school, Goa College of Art. And all of them are qualified and they can deliver something great. So this is where we are looking at those particular teachers. We are also looking at, in computational thinking, that even your maths teachers, your science teachers can be equipped, can be trained to teach their subject also. So that is there in the pipeline, maybe not in the immediate this, but in the near future we are even thinking about training your other teachers. So make this particular teachers available whenever you get orders from the SCRT. Orders will come from the SCRT or from the DE. The other important thing is that this delivery of this weekly meeting, आमची ती weekly meeting जातली न्ही, ती मातशें ताजो सक्सेस जातलो जाल्यार आमी हांगा आपली टिचऱ्यो आपयल्यो एज द तालुका इनचार्ज, एज द coordinator teachers, because our challenge is this 400 other teachers. We really require to upskill them. We really require to upskill these particular teachers, and the success will depend on this particular weekly meeting. How that rollout will happen, how we plan to do it, all the details you will get completely from a circular which is going to come from either from Department of Education or the SCRT Goa. But I require your cooperation. Now this is where I require your support. आम्ही आता म्हटल्यानी single board computers which Sai showed you, which is going to be delivered. Now before this particular delivery comes, I want you to ensure, as heads of institute, please ensure that there is a lab. Because in our initial survey, आमकां अशें मेळूंक आयलां, आमगे गमूंक आयलां की तुमचे कडेन थोड्यो लॅबूच ना. There are no labs. It is not correct. If a delivery comes, you don't have a place for it. Okay, it's not correct. Secondly, आमी ती हाडली आनी फर्निचरूच ना म्हणलो. And there is no table, there are no chairs and all that. So we can ensure those particular things as heads of institutes. Please ensure before the delivery comes. The third thing, electrical connection. So if the device comes without electrical connection, okay, it will not progress. So that particular thing we can ensure. Third is internet connection. I know you are all delivery, you are doing great service. I was there somewhere in Kanakon, okay, the other day, and there the teacher was saying, the head of institution, sir, आम्ही 4 डोंगरले घेतले म्हणपाक लागलो. कित्याक एक दिसांनी खंयची डोंगर चलता ते आमकां खबर ना. So we have got Jio also, we have got Airtel also, we have got Vodafone also. 4-5 आमी डोंगर घेतले. एक आमी ट्राय करता म्हणपाक लागलो. पूण शुअर म्हणपाक लागलो केन्ना आमकां चुकोवंक ना. खंयची पण चलता एक दिसाक. So this is an initiative not come from the government. This is an initiative which you wonderful teachers have done it. You wonderful management have done it. So let us not see government करतलो आणि करूंकूच जाय हांव ना म्हणना. पण आमी मातशें बारीक बारीक कितें केलें न्ही, then what will happen? The success will be like that it is for your students only न्ही. Okay, so please ensure that before this delivery comes, a mature infrastructure is in place. There will be something great. Okay, the last part before I go to my last slide, which I require from you. आता तुमकां खबर आसतली न्ही, आमी कॉम्पिटिशनां, हॅकॅथॉन्स अशी रन केल्या न्ही. How many of you are not aware, heads of institute are not aware about these competitions which we run? There was this particular lantern drawing competition, coding competition or lantern drawing आमी recently run केलं. ताका निकाल आयलो न्ही सर? NICAD is already approved as a NICAD ILO, and listen, we just want to create a small video and release this particular results. I was very happy. कित्याक जाणा तूं 3,500 अशी आमकां एंट्री आहे. 3,500 entries, okay, for these particular things. But yet I am sad. Why I am sad? Why am I sad?
Somebody is comparing.
Sorry.
Some entry is going to complete.
No, I'm not sad. See, it is daltas. That is always there. I'm not sad about that. Why am I sad, you think? आमचे कडेन न्ही सवेच्या भुरग्यांक आमी सगळे आमचे सवेच्या भुरग्यांक सांगिल्लें एंट्रीज दिया, म्हणजे 7वेच्या भुरग्यांक सांगिल्लें 8वेच्या भुरग्यांक 20,000 अशे आमचे सवेचे भुरगे आसा, 20,000 7वेचे आसा आनी 20,000 8वेचे आसा. 60,000 भुरग्यां भितर जर तर म्हाका 3,500 अशी एंट्री आयली जाल्यार इट इज एक 5% अशे आमकां रिटर्न्स. 9 आनी 5% खंय गेले म्हजे भुरगे हें म्हाका विचार पडलें. आनी साईश सर म्हाका सदांच विचारता, सर आमचे वी एक्सपेक्टेड लायक एटलीस्ट 50,000 एंट्रीज, 60,000 एंट्रीज, सर ते खंय गेले काय म्हणटा. नाव दिस इज वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू प्लेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. नाव competition with Sai sir and his entire team, which is that, is not done for any one is like he wants to create an enthusiasm, but there is another part of it, and it is linked to how much curriculum we complete. See, there is a trick which he plays. He doesn't tell this, it's a trick. He plays a nice trick. What is this trick? He जसो curriculum cover जाता न्ही तो competition जाता तसलीच. So he has to see, what he sees there is, if the teacher had completed 12 lessons, then their students would have been able to participate by in that particular competition. So his measure is, sir, if I've got only 5%, that means only in 5% of these particular students have got this particular knowledge. 95 students have not understood, that's why they have not participated. हांवें ताका म्हणलें, sir, it may not be correct because this is the first time, कसले इश्यू जाला आसले. पण in this particular presentation हांवें सांगलें, I will tell your trick in front of the school management, so that आता somewhere in November you got one more competition. So he expects, he's got one whole team which is like waiting for 60,000 entries from all your schools. So what you have to ensure, tell your computer teachers that all students have to participate. Correct? Is this another support which I'll get? So you have to tell to all your computer teachers, please ensure that there are 40 students, all 40 students have to participate. Otherwise, Sai sir will inquire with me, I will have to tell my sir, and sir will then tell the secretary and all that. Masa kadak astani. Okay, so please let us ensure that all these things happen properly. Now, here I want to play two videos. Here. About first video which I will play is of Tiswadi Taluka, and they call themselves as the Blockbuster Taluka. That this is developed as a teaser movie, okay, and all from these particular teachers of ours to show what this particular taluka, through their students, what kind of entries they have got. Okay, thank you teachers for this beautiful kind of a teaser. Now here is one of the entries, which not an entry but there was a feature about one student which had come. I want to play this particular video after she has done.
तुझे नाव किती बा? तू खंयच्या इश्कोलान शिकता? तुका कोडिंग करपाक आवडटा? तू खंय रावता?
कृष्णा कॉलनी मराठ शेंडे केपें.
तुका कोडिंग करपाक इंट्रस्ट कसो आयलो?
टिचर आमकां कोडिंग शिकयतना इंट्रस्ट करून शिकयताली, ताका लागून.
attention to this particular child. If you have seen the joy in her eyes, have you noticed one more thing? Where was she sitting? She was sitting on a chair in front of a road. Okay, rather on the side of a road. Why was she sitting there? Have you noticed, what was the device she was using to do this particular course? Mobile. तुमचे टीचरला विचारा तुम्ही to develop even 10 of this particular blocks नी कितना वेळ लागता without a mouse and a keyboard? You ask your teachers, does it take time to develop? Yes. There was one figure which was put in that particular slide. This child has developed 250 blocks. When Sir Saish coordinated with the actual PictoBlocks people, actually the people who developed the software, they said this is amazing that a child of that particular age could find so much of time to develop 250 blocks. And what a beautiful kind of output which she has got right on the 2nd of October, which this particular child. This child is coming from a rural plot somewhere in Kepen Taluka. Do you think असले आशा तुमच्या स्कॉलांनी आसा? I want a resounding sound. I don't want nodding heads. I want some sound you can hear.
Yes.
Do you think they are residing असले चोले or चुली तुमच्या स्कॉलांनी आसा म्हणून?
Yes.
I truly believe that these particular success stories of tomorrow, the success stories of this particular scheme, the success stories which are going to come out from our state are there in your schools. So what we require is only this much, that we as the project management unit and you as school management, we require to engage. We require to embrace one another. We require to take ownership together to take this particular forward. We require to empower one another. Because when we work, we can achieve much, much more. And with this, I would like to end here with a quote from Henry Ford. And Henry Ford nicely puts this, and he says, coming together is the beginning. Staying together is progress. And working together is success. Let us come together from now. From today's beginning, which we have started on a beautiful note on the 13th of this particular October in this particular place. So that we progress together for a beautiful tomorrow which we want to achieve. So that tomorrow of ours is bright and successful. And I believe together we can. Thank you very much. At this particular point, I would like to ask if there are any feedbacks, any questions which you all have got. If you all can, I throw the floor open. I've got my director sir also here with me. So if you've got any questions to be asked, please go ahead.
Those textbooks are available.
Can I have the mic, please? Ma'am, if you can just introduce yourself so that others also know who you are, okay, which school you represent, and what is your question?
I'm Sarita Garwalo, headmistress of Rosary High School. My question is whether the textbooks are available for our students.
This textbooks as a hard copy is not given right now. It will be printed out. That is a decision we are leaving. We are going to write with the SCRT because they are mandated with coming up the printed copies. But the soft copy of this entire book, the soft copy has been given to all the teachers. To all the teachers, the soft copy has been given. Okay, if any teacher, if the head of institute, please ask your computer teachers who come for training. If they are not come for training, maybe they may not have it. But all the teachers who have come, they have been given on their pen drive the syllabus, the video contents, as well as the soft copy of this particular book. Yes.
Those single computer thing that you showed, will they replace the desktop that we have?
That is our aim. That is what we are going to be upgrading to. Yes.
Sir, I am from Popular English High School, Goa, Vella. So my question is, all students, you said all students should participate in the competition and all. So mobile is necessary, for them.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Mobile in the sense to the coding. Yes, coding you require some computing device, ma'am. So what is
So
the
my problem is my students, they don't have one.
Same problem also.
Yeah. So now हांव जेन्ना म्हणटा it is not only that सायशीचे competition नोव्हेंबराक घेतलें ताकाच म्हणना, but let us encourage. See, if they don't have mobile, it means other things. They may be not even attending classes because of this.
Yes.
It's a challenge.
Yes.
So I will tell you, I was in Dharbondara. I'll just tell you, not for anything, but I will tell you success stories because we have to learn from another. ती म्हाका असली एक there was one convent school there, and there was one government school. Now what has happened? The heads of institute, they had this particular problem that their students did not have devices. They're coming from labor class and all this particular, they did not have devices. ताणी कितें केलें जाणा, and this is something commendable. ताणी कितें केलें, they contacted the alumni. ते सक्सेसफूल जे आसा न्ही ताचे कॉन्टेक्ट केले आनी ताका फोन मारून सांगलें ताणें, बाबा तुमी आतां एमेझॉनाचो हो फ्लिपकार्टाचो साम बिलियन्स जाला, तुमी नवे नवे मोबायल घेता न्ही, ते पोन्नेले जे मोबायल आसा न्ही, विच इज गुड इनफ, ते दिता मरे आमकां. ताणें म्हणलें सर बरा, म्हजे कडेन दोन आसा, घरा दोन पडिल्ले, ते दोनूय बरा तुमी दिया. सो वॉट दे डीड इज दे गिव दिस पर्टिक्युलर स्मॉल डिवाइसेस टू देयर स्टुडंट्स. It is an initiative which who did it? The teachers themselves did it. How they did it? Is by using the context which had developed for 10-15 teachers. तुम्ही किती वर्ष शिकयता ना? 30 वर्सां. 30 वर्सां तुमचे कडेन एक वर्साक 30 भुरगे नॉट इन टच विथ यू. 1000 जाले मरे. मोर दॅन इनफ. तांतले भितर तुका एक 100 जाल्यार तुका दिली म्हणटा तुका मोबायल काडून. तूं विचार जाल्यार आय एम 100% शुअर इफ यू टेल देम I require this particular thing for the need here, they will reach. Don't you think, teacher? Very good. No, this is our success story, but this is an issue. But what I am trying to say is, this issue will end, madam. I mean, this situation will be improved. Yes, sir.
We had similar problem, and we approached the Lions Club.
Oh, wow.
At the Lions Club,
So can you please stand up and just tell your name?
I am Russell Coutinho, Santa Cruz High School, Santa Cruz.
Wonderful.
And also our teachers, they have two mobiles. They have given one which they don't use for the students.
Can you put up your hands for excellent. I will use your name now. I got one more person from this party. Okay, one person I had already got from Dharbondara. Okay, so great, sir. I remember you. So thank you very much for this great initiative you are taking. Yes, any others? Yes, we have got a sister there. Ma'am, can we just speak over?
Okay, I am Sister Clarina from St. Teresa High School, Sanstiva. This is a wonderful scheme, sir, right now what I am feeling. But only my little issue is, like before the computer teachers could be briefed of all this master training and all, if we, the head, was given this approach, you would get better coordination. Thank you, sir.
For this, I would like to call my director, Dr. Vivek Kamal, okay, who is there, who has spent about 2 hours, okay, here, sir. One second.
Very good morning to you all. As Madam has said, this is a wonderful scheme, and all of us tend to agree with that statement. Of course, she also added some suffix to it. She said, if this session or this transfer of whatever is the background behind evolving this scheme were to be shared with all stakeholders, perhaps you could have contributed in a much better way since April onwards. We also sensed that. So I'll tell you what is our interest. Our, in the sense, interest of Directorate of Technical Education also. I repeat, what is our interest also? It is your interest, your students' interest, education department interest, but we also have interest in that. What is our interest also? These students who are presently studying in schools, they will someday pass out standard 10th, pass out standard 12th, and then they may opt for professional or technical education. So they will be input to our technical or professional education system. If we want our educational system, the processing, to be much more effective, we would desire the quality of input also is better and better. Therefore, we decided to intervene. Of course, intervene is a very decent word. I would use a very rough word. We decided to interfere with school education. And we said, your coding and robotic education, we want to do it the way we think it should be done. That does not mean education department does not know anything or SCRT does not know anything and we are the only, what do you say, sarvatya. No, it is not like that. But if we feel we can add some value to that particular education, and when we say education, we are concentrating on standard 6th, standard 7th and standard 8th. Of course, there are standards before standard 6th also. We have 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. After 8th also there are standards. We have 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. And maybe we are dealing with 13, 14, 15, 16 and onwards. But somewhere we have to start. If you think of doing from 0 to X or N or infinity, perhaps we will not be able to focus on any particular activity and start with the actual difference making activity. Therefore, we decided to interfere at that level, 6th, 7th and 8th. And we are much more comfortable with 6th, 7th, 8th standard for the purpose of interfering. Okay? Now, whatever is our intent, whatever is our methodology, whatever is the thinking that is going on in our mind, what is that robotic or coding or computational education, we thought if it is tried, if we try to explain it to the teachers, explain it to the management first hand, directly, perhaps it will make much more positive difference. And that is the reason we again decided to interfere with the education department system, and we decided to go to, at the moment, at taluka levels. Last Monday we started with Fonda taluka, all schools, all ADIs, all management from Fonda taluka schools. After that we went to Marmugao, then to Sattari, then to Darbandoda, then to Kandhond. Today we are in Tiswadi. Yesterday, or day before yesterday, we went to Kepe and Sangik also. So today we are here, tomorrow we are in Salset, and then Patna and Bardez, these two talukas. So we will be covering all 12 talukas, and we think we will be able to make at least 5% plus difference to the implementation or the enthusiasm that is required for implementation of this scheme. And that is why we have come to various taluka centers. Now about the gadgets, the mobile, there are different innovative ways you can solve this problem. This is the computational thinking. We have a problem in hand. Actually, we don't have it in hand, but we have a problem in hand. We want our mobile to be in our hand. We don't have it in hand, but we have that problem in hand. How to attack that problem? There are multiple ways. You can apply your computational thinking and find out ways. We have in some way tried to do something like this. We are talking of single board system. You have seen computers, the desktop computers. You must have seen it from outside. Have you opened it any time, or have you seen any mechanic or any technician attending to it, opening the side panels? What is there inside? There will be some boards, green color boards. They are printed circuit boards. Of course, in that system there will be more than one board. As you said, there will be motherboard. Please excuse me, there will be motherboard, uncle board, all these boards will be there. But this device will have only one board. That is the difference. There are more than one boards in your system. It is high-end computer. Maybe it is costing 57,000, 60,000, whatever. And it can do wonders for you. It is having maybe 200 megabytes, 200 GB memory. So it is having a lot of capacity. It can do so many things for you. Just to make it clear, I would say it can do 50,000 things for you. That computer can do 50,000 things for you. You know how many of these 50,000 things you have so far asked your computer to do for you? Not more than 150. Typing a letter, taking some printout, sending email. This is 150. It is not. You have not touched 150 first job that that computer can do. Actually, it is having capacity of doing 50,000 things for you. Are you wasting your money? You have invested 50,000, 60,000 on that computer. It has potential to do 50,000 things for you, but you don't have 50,000 jobs for your computer. You can at best ask computer to do 150, say 500, say 1,000, say 5,000. You are using still 10% of your capacity. So this particular computer cannot do 50,000 things, but definitely it can do 5,000 things. Again, you will ask that single board computing device to do maybe 150 things, which it can very easily do. And the cost will be around 6,000, 7,000, that is it. Now what we are planning to do is, on one system, there should be 2 students. Now you know how many students are there in your 6th standard or 7th standard, 8th standard. At any given time, when they are doing practicals, we assume that there will be a batch of 30. So 15 systems should be there. Now, we cannot put all machines of this type because we don't know tomorrow some better machines may come. Next year, after pandemic, some more, instead of single board, there may be half board systems, which are costing less and can do much more things. We don't know. I am talking in very layman's language. From 4-5 boards, we have single board. From single board, we may have half board. Cost will be less, but potential will be sufficient for our tasks. So therefore, instead of 15 systems, we are planning to provide 5 systems this year. Now if I tell you 5 systems per school, it will mean 400 schools into 5 systems will mean 2,000 systems we have to buy. How we buy? We have to go to the shop and ask them to give. In whole of India, there won't be more than 400 systems available at the moment. Whole of India. Why? Because they are not manufactured in India. They are manufactured, say Raspberry is one of the brand name. It is done in UK. And they have orders lined up for next 52 weeks. This is the information that we get. But we are trying to turn things around and get at least 1,500 systems for us this year. Election is round the corner. You know, when election code of conduct comes, everything, our coding will go for toss. When that code comes, our code will go for a toss. So we are working very hard in that direction. But success is only what we can hope at this moment, and we will not lose hopes. So all these difficulties will definitely be there. We have to overcome difficulties and make things possible. So this is one of the activities that we are doing, so that we can at least assume that 50% of you are with us, or all of you are with us to the extent of at least 51%. Don't mind I saying this, but this is all Goa figure, not this Wadi Taluka. This Wadi Taluka percentage may be much higher. But on an average, we want 51% to be with us at the end of all this session. We will not leave you. We will come again and interfere with you. And that is with the sole intention of satisfying our objective also. Now your students, if they are taught computational thinking is not only computer education. I am not going into details, but it's not only computer education. It is changing his ways of thinking. His logical approach to any issue will be improved. And if that is done at 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard level, he will be able to apply that to all other phases of his education, even his professional or technical education or whatever, medical education also. Everything is now technology driven, and he will be better oriented towards accepting his education, upcoming education in the years to come. And that will also provide him with proper employment is a simple thing, but ways of earning his livelihood, that will be facilitated. And overall, there will be improvement in standard of living of all of us. I am very sure this is the beginning, and we will continue to interfere, to disturb you, and try to elicit your help, your support in whatever activities we make. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Any other questions? Yes.
Time period of use per week for competent teachers.
Saish, how much time we have to give for the computer teachers?
2 hours.
2 hours a week.
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
2 hours. That is as per your timetable, sir. 2 hours per week, but combined. It is
Two
continuous.
periods actually. 2 periods, not hours. 2 periods.
2
Two periods.
2 periods.
Two continuous periods. Syllabus. Two continuous
Syllabus is of 25 modules. Each module is 2 periods of 45 minutes. So it will be 45, 1.5 hour. But we have requested all school management not to give these 2 periods of 45 minutes, one on Monday, one on Thursday, not like that. 2 together. Because to be able to receive that warming up that is required on part of students, that needs some 5-10 minutes. So if you do it in 2 different sessions, 5-10 minutes of first session will be lost in just warming up, and in the second session again, when warming up is there, cooling down also will be there, another 5 minutes will go. So instead of wasting 5, 10 and 5, 10, 20 minutes, we can invest only 5, 10 minutes and use remaining 70 minutes for us. So 35 modules into 2 periods slot. Per week, 1 slot of 2 periods. See, this is besides your other subject curriculum. We are not saying focus on coding should be 50%, this may be hardly 5%. But let that 5% be done thoroughly, properly. So 35 weeks, in a year we have 52 weeks. We are assuming that at least 35 weeks we will be able to conduct these classes. So that's why we have restricted to 35 weeks. And the optional or additional, that will be in the afternoon. See, we are also learning the system and we are trying to find out the better ways of interfering with the system.
We are coming here in the parents.
Thank you, sir.
We are marching on. Yes.
Okay, any other questions? Okay, so what I would request is one of our master trainers, 2-3 minutes, they can come and share about the experiences with the PMU and what are the experiences in the training sessions they underwent to become master trainers. If anybody for 2 minutes, if you can share, and then I will call one of the school managements to also give their inputs.
First of all, I would really thank my headmistress who is here today. She has made herself available over here. I understand it was not an easy decision on the part of schools and as well as the managements to let go of a teacher, computer teacher, for almost 4 months consecutively. Really big thank you from my side to my school as well as my management for that. Secondly, I would say PMU is the only organization that I have seen so far which works tirelessly and seamlessly to meet the expectations of our student as well as the computer teachers here. I've seen them toiling day and night, preparing the syllabus, also facilitating all the improvements that were asked in lesson plans. Not that only we as master trainers have worked in it, but I would really put it across that our sir, Sai sir, also was involved actively. Though he assigned us the task of lesson plans, he used to keep track of every activity. Where have we reached? On to which lesson plan? What is it that we are finding difficult? And all the resources were well made available to us with help of Sir Borges as well. As it is mentioned that the entire process was definitely not easy. We had to be there for almost a month for the training of 500 odd teachers. And that task seemed impossible because there was a pressure from home as well. Because our families were also scared because we have children at home, we have elderly people at home, and continuous pressure was there. If you go for the entire month and by chance if there is a COVID contraction, what is it that it was like we are risking their lives as well. But really thanks to our Borges who took utter precautions. The entire COVID protocol was followed to such an extent that it was really unbelievable. When we reached the venue at GEC, we were given the seating allotments. Every master trainer was allotted a specific seat. The care was taken right from the seating arrangement to the leaving the people from the auditorium for the lunch. Five people were left. As well, also a very important thing that I noticed was, as soon as the sessions began, Sir made it a point that he goes and checks the thermal checkup register. And if he finds that any trainee who has entered has not done the thermal checkup, he would personally come to the training session, request those teachers to go ahead and please do the checkup. This much of care, I think, is something not beyond what our family would have taken from their side for us. So I believe it was not only the master trainers, but it was the hard efforts of our mentors who are present here equally. I really say a big thanks to them as well. From time to time they have been supportive, may it be the resources, may it be any other matter. For example, at many times we felt that we are not story writers, we are teachers. How can we write 35 stories? And we used to get stuck because when the concepts like gravity and all came, we questioned them, not that we directly asked them to get it into the syllabus. There were a lot of discussions. We literally bombarded questions like why 6th standard child needs to know gravity and all. And I'm really happy that the trainers that were there, the mentors which were there, really answered them well. They told us that you're not going to explain a 6th standard child about gravity. What you're going to show them practically is you just throw a ball and ask the child to observe. The children community that we are teaching or dealing with is really curious to know and observe patterns that they see. What happens when that ball is falling? Whether the speed increases, whether the speed decreases, whether it is falling at a constant rate, let the child evolve through their curiousness. That is what was asked to preserve throughout the entire sessions to us. And I believe this pattern of computational thinking was well taught to us by our trainers. We were really fortunate enough to have industry people to train us. They taught us right from scratch, I would say. They brought us from the clean slate to the well-written slate by now. Real thanks to the entire PMU team. I am really privileged to be a part of this team and looking forward to still continue and deliver to my level best. Thank you.
Thank you, Maya teacher. Now, Maya teacher is our core MT. Okay, so core MT basically means like now, taka the teacher amka daan kelli sir. Okay, from the management. Okay, and maka dista, I would like to honor you, teacher. Okay, the head of the Institute of Progress High School. If you can come here and just be what do you call that? Like tell about how was that decision made to give your teacher for a peak duration to the PMU unit. So please, madam, if you can come.
Good afternoon. It is a real great pleasure to be present here on the special awareness program conducted by Project Management until for coding and robotics education at school level. In recent time, robotics and coding is playing a very major role in our day-to-day life. Robot is machine built to perform specific job repeatedly without any human interference, and coding a language used in various computer applications. With this type of program, school children will get a chance to learn coding and robotics at school level. I personally and our entire school and management are feeling extremely proud that Mrs. Maya Kamath, who is hardworking, intelligent and sincere teacher, is one of the 5 teachers selected for this national level program. I am also grateful to the entire team of Project Management Unit for Coding and Robotics Education in India for selecting our teacher from our school and giving her platform to show her capabilities. I also would like to express my extreme gratitude to the entire team for inviting me for the program and also for your thank you.
Thank you very much, teacher. So I invite the ADI to conclude the session.
Respected heads of institutions and team under Professor Dr. Borges. I'd like to thank first Professor Dr. Borges for his wonderful presentation. Sir, you were really very good. Simple, down to earth, speaking in dual language. You made things so simple and comprehensive to our heads that I'm sure our heads of institutions are charged now to implement this coding and robotics in our institutions. Thank you also to Saish and Vivek Kamath, Director of Technical Education, and Technical Project Director Saish Gandhi for your assistance in the program. A big thank you to all the heads of institutions for being present here. I'm sure you have enjoyed this session. A big thank you to you and to your representatives who have come here. And we cannot forget the help that is rendered by the headmistress of the Rosary High School, Gujarat, Sanita Carvalho, for her excellent arrangements on the days, of the days. There was so much of work involved. I was here yesterday to oversee the arrangement, and they were working so hard to put things together. You can see the days, how nicely she has arranged it. Big thank you to you, sir, for that, and for the teachers of the school also who helped us. Once again, a big thank you to all of you for being present here.
Thank you. Thank you.